Right here, Phoenix Typewriter. Got the Selectric 3 here that is like near mint condition, except it's completely, seriously frozen. Every single pivot point was frozen on this typewriter like I have never seen. So, last thing I'm trying to do here, I'll move this typewriter over a little bit, is get these last latches freed up. And they also were frozen, I mean, like I've never seen. They've already been 24 hours of soaking with penetration. This nice stuff that somebody sent me. It had no effect. Lacquer thinner, no effect. So I got two going right here. These two guys. I had to do all I could to get these to move up. They're still sticking, but at least I got them up. Flush them some more. So I'm on the third one there. It broke. It broke trying to get it open. I mean, that's just the worst case scenario. So these are all frozen like you would not believe. Like worst case scenario. So I didn't want to break any more. So I'm trying to figure out how to get these up, or it's a deal breaker, because man, I've spent a lot of time on this already. But as you can see, I've got most of these up until right there. What I decided to try was to heat those up, and sure enough, that worked. As soon as I heat them up, they come free. So how do you heat that up in there? Do you take a torch? I mean, I got oil in there. You take a torch? No. What you do is you take this thermal device here, right there, transformer, ground connection, and the hot stick here. So as soon as you make contact with this, it fires up heat. So crazy as it seems, that's what I did. So if you look down here, I'm almost done with this. You can see that this one is frozen right there. I mean, I think I felt it move, but what I was doing is you just tap this on here for 2 seconds like this. 1, 2. And it frees it right up. So there it is right there. So I'm going to do the next one there. About 2 seconds. Let the heat transfer a little bit. And I don't think I went long enough on that one. And there she goes. So let's see this one. This is frozen solid. 1, 2. There it is. 1, 2. There it is. 1, 2. There it is. 1, 2. That one put out some flame. There it is. 1, 2. There it is. Last one. 1, 2. There it is. Let's try this guy over here. Well, sure enough, this last one over here is also stuck. Not anymore. Okay, so that got him free, so I'm going to still do some more flushing, but I've never had to do something that drastic. Just thought I would show you guys what it takes to get these things working sometimes. Good day.